back to my channel. My name is Abby, and I had to take a break from Vlogmas. So, yes, I got some bad news earlier this week. Just wasn't really feeling like doing anything after that. And then I had to study for a test and take a test on Thursday, and it is now Saturday. So, I thought I'd pop in a little current update vlog. I don't know what day it is anymore in terms of Vlogmas. So anyway, it's Saturday. It's like 4:30. I need to do my shipping. Obviously I'm late, but I'm still gonna go drop them off. I need to go to Walmart to get some new bins because I have some inventory just like in bags, and then I'm thinking about popping into TJ Maxx to see if there's anything good I can find. And then I need to do a lot of cleaning and organizing as well. So I thought I'd take you along. I do have a clip from one day earlier this week that I will insert in now because I unboxed some stuff and I wanted to show you all. So I will put that in now. Hello. My face is all red because I was just outside and it got really cold here again. So, today is Monday, December 6th. I figured that I would do a more recent video for Vlogmas. So this is going to be an actual vlog, sort of. I'm trying to hide my messy house from you. And I need to order like a tripod for my phone because I'm leaning over and this hurts. But I wanted to open 2 packages with you, and then I need to do some shipping. It is the middle of the day, but I'm taking a break from my full-time job because you can only look at a computer screen at home for so long. So I'm gonna order this package. It is something I bought off of Poshmark, and you all are gonna laugh at me when I show you what it is. Okay, I also changed the angle so I don't have to lean over. So I apologize if it's a little crooked, but first thing I'm gonna open. I know where they got these. Yep, that's right. I ordered IKEA bags off of Poshmark because I really wanted the pink ones and I had Posh credit, so I figured why not? I got 2 of them. It is about that time in my business where I need IKEA bags to go to the post office, so there we go. I eventually want to get teal ones and some of the other ones. And then my other package, it is from The Real, something I sourced during their Black Friday sale. I kind of was late on sourcing on Black Friday on The Real, so a lot of the stuff was gone, but I did get this, and it's kind of a gamble. Got the lovely bag. Okay, this is the most expensive item I have ever probably had in my Poshmark closet. Honestly, the most expensive item I've probably ever touched. Does it have the MSRP? That's what I want to know. I don't think it has. It does not have the MSRP, but there's the brand for you. Stella McCartney, it's brand new. Oh, it does have the MSRP. $2,745. You can't see that, but it is a runway Stella McCartney piece. My video got cut off here actually showing you the piece, so I will insert a picture right here. I was saying that it is a runway jumpsuit. I couldn't find it online anywhere But since it is new with tags, I figured it was worth the gamble. I paid around $50 to $60 for it on the real. So here's hoping it does well. It is a smaller size, so I'm sure I will sit on it for a while, but very excited to have this opportunity. That sounds ridiculous, but I'm excited to sell it and see how it does. Okay, so I am going to ship some stuff now and go to the post office and then run a couple errands.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
recap on today's video. I look terrible, please excuse my appearance, but I just took a shower. It's now Sunday evening. I took pictures all day and I still need to take my model shots tonight after my hair dries and finish processing them and weighing them. So I am just going to end this out here so I can also edit this and post this tonight. So I'm back on the Vlogmas game and I still have older videos to put out. So I hope you'll join me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see the rest of Vlogmas. Okay, bye.